Opinions are simply just opinions. Everyone's got one. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So you have to bear in mind that everybody has an opinion. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. How you react to those opinions is up to you. It's up to you what you decide to take from in those opinions. It's up to you to decide to listen to people's opinions, or it's up to you to ignore everything that they've said and move on with your life and become the best version of yourself. You can't become best version of yourself, become successful, whatever that looks like to you, and just be an overall well-rounded person if you listen to people's opinions. People will always have something to say. People will always have something to say with something that you do. They'll tell you can't do this, you shouldn't do that, why would you go here, why are you wearing this, why did you buy this car, whatever it may be. People always have an opinion. Remember that everyone has a preference. Just because their preference is different to yours, it doesn't mean that what you like is invalid. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't go after your career. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't start your business. It doesn't mean that you should do what you love because someone has a different preference, someone has a different opinion on what you like to do and how you like to do things. You have to be able to take people's opinions and decide what you want to do with it. For example, if you're purchasing a home, for example, and you like the more contemporary homes, if you ask for someone's opinion that likes Victorian housing or that likes a more standard traditional home, then they may not particularly like with it. They might try and sway you from it and say, oh, why don't you get this because this is more likely to sell, this appeals to more people. In the event that you have children, this is more child friendly, whatever it may be. But then it's up to you to listen to what they have to say, to listen to the points that they're making, and then make your final decision. Your final decision should never be influenced by someone else's opinion. What do you think? What matters to you? Why are you asking for people's opinions? You have to also bear in mind that you don't always have to ask for people's opinions. Sometimes just go ahead and do what you want to do. It all comes down to you. It all comes down to what matters to you, what's more important to you. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, and rightly so. But remember that sometimes other people's opinions are not asked for. Sometimes some people's opinions are not valid because it's not their preference. Sometimes people are just speaking for the sake of speaking without really taking what you're asking them into consideration. So just remember that everyone has an opinion. Not everyone's going to like you, but proceed anyways. Try and accomplish whatever it is that you want to do. If you want to start your business, go ahead, start today. If you want to change your career path, go ahead, do it. If you want to wear that dress because it makes you feel good, go ahead, do it. Whatever it may be, do it for you. Don't be influenced by other people's opinions because you will never get anywhere. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.